Hi, what's up, everybody? So, in today's episode, we're hanging out with Dirty Bird, and oh my god, what are you doing? Not much. You ready? Oh. Red. Wanna do some... Wanna do dumb thing? Yes. Oh god. Alright, let's just hop up in the truck. Oh lord. Today's gonna be a good episode. I'm here to tell you what. So, get the first going here on the day. Oh my lord. What is he doing? Don't hit my truck! Ugh. Perfect, dude, perfect. Go down here. Okay, listen here. This is how I want you to leave my driveway. No, that's not how you leave my driveway. This is even in real life, kind of. You want to leave my driveway like this. Yeah, that's how you do it. Okay. So, yeah. I don't even know where we should go. Let's see what he's doing in chat. He didn't say anything. Okay, well, first off, I need to go get some gas. It's already now I'm probably empty. So let's go over here to the gas station. Or just cut for the grass. It's like they use it anyways. Whoop! Alright. Perfect. How much do I have to fill up on? Ah, not much. $18.2. $18.02. What is he doing? I'm gonna grab a coffee. Oh, don't park in the handicap. I ain't that dude. You got gas? I'm just filled up. I'm going to get some food. Dang it. And coffee. Need some of that coffee. No, bro. Does this look like a Tesla to you? Like, does this actually look like a Tesla to you? Okay, should ooh get me sweet tea? Could you? Yeah. Okay, thank you. Alright, well, I just got a Dirty Bird his sweet tea. Here you go. Okay. Welcome. Oh god. Welcome. There we go. Alright, I think we need to go jump our trucks. That needs to happen. Don't smash my truck. Okay, we're good. Let's go pull out of this driveway like a normal person. Look both ways, you know what I'm saying? Look both ways. Just Ah! Don't hit my truck. Rev it up. Wham, bam, 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 bam. Perfect. Go around the roundabout. And then we just take off and go down the road. Go around this one. Ooh! Okay. Why is he sideways? Alright. Well, me and him are gonna drive down the road. Is he about to... Oh, you wanna race, bruh? Oh, come on. I think he's trying to pass me. He's trying to pass me. By the way, guys, if you can... Oh my god, he's trying to pass me. Nah, we can't have any of that. Actually... Ow! God. Oh, I'm gonna make sure that he's okay. Yeah, he's okay. Okay, we're good. Woo! Alright, and by the way, go check out his channel. His channel will be linked in the description down below. I'm gonna get over here in his lane. Alright, I'll meet you guys at the yellow. I'll meet you guys at the jump spot. Alright, we're here. This is mine and Dirty Bird's jumping spot. I showed you how to get over here before, so I'm not going to show you again. Alright. Now, we gotta go all the way from the other side of the map. Oh, God. Hi. How you doing? What's up? Alright. So we're gonna go over this bridge. Go all the way, and I mean all the way over here. Alright, sweet. What do you say? Oops. What do you do? He's always doing something every time we're over here. Like, every time. Oh, it's about to get dark. You're not gonna be able to see that all that well. Boing! Oh. Okay. Let's see how he jumps. Let's see how he jumps. Will he jump straight over us, or will he basically jump on top of us? That sounds wrong, but I'm not meaning it the way I just said. Oh! I'm gonna say, you good? Burnout time? What? Burnout? Ooh. Is he following us? No. Go down here. Train tracks. Turn around. Alright. Where's he at? I feel like he has his headlights off just to try to hit me. Yep, there he is. Alright. Where's the jump? Where's the jumpers? Okay, that's not the jump, but ow! Let's see if we can do a burnout in the water. Yep, sure can. Woo! Didn't really jump it as good as I expected we could. Boing! Ow. Let's do this. You ready? In 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, God. I shouldn't have done right there. I wonder if he has a POV of his side. I wonder. Does he have a POV on his side? I might have to ask him. Alright. Let's retry that donut. There we go. Now we're in business. Sweet. Yeah. Ow! Donut, anyone? Donut, anyone? Ow, it's my truck. Go for it. Go for it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's not really a donut. Go the other way. Go the other way. This looks really good. Why is his front end jumping like that? There you go. Turn this way, turn this way. That truck is fast. Whoa. That truck is really fast. Woo! Get back in our truck. Alright, let's go into town. Alright, here we are. Drifting the corner. Drifting the corner. That was not really drifting, that was more of just turning it. Let me just whip it. Ooh! Ow! Ow! Dang it! Oh. What is going on? What just happened? I think he got for revenge once, he got revenge. Uh-huh. Yeah, uh-huh. Yeah. Yeah. Come here. Boing. That's what you get. That's what you get for turning off my cocoa melon. Let me just... Oh, yeah. And then, after we come down here, we'll just... whip it. Is he coming down here? Yes, he is. What's up? Oh! We're just playing bumper cars at this point. I kind of want to go back to the house. So we're going to head back to the house. Okay. Is he following? Yes. I might need to stop by the farm real quick. Where's the farm? Where's the farm? Where's the farm? The farm, 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 farm. There it is. Oh, I had a sign. No, not my cows. Alright. Pull up into here. Alright, get up. Alright. So we got Big Mac in front of us. We got Quarter Pounder. We got double cheese. We got extra bacon. And then they're all the rest are just called Moo Moo. Alright, that one's doing good. Alright, we're all doing good. Sweet. Get some hay. Alright. Let's put that over here in the morning. Let's see. Chickaletta. Chicken, 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 chicken. And we got Ted right here. We got Barney over there. Then we got Jimmy over there. Yeah, sweet. Well, I will see you guys at the house. And maybe, just maybe, I'll drift it into the garage. Alright, so we're here. I don't know where Dirty Bird is. He said that he'd meet me here, so... is that him down there? Yes, it is. That's him that just hit a pole. Let's see. Come on. We'll meet him at the house. Or is he gonna be behind us? Nope, he's just gonna be back there, hidden poles. Alright, let's just drift in my driveway. Ooh. That was good. Well, everybody, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please give me a like and subscribe. Why don't you go give my buddy... Oh, the e-brake didn't work. Why don't you give my buddy... That was perfect. That was... He goes, what's up? Pretty cool. Oh, Lord. Well, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this episode. Me and Dirty Bird, we're just hanging out, having a good time over here in the good old Greenville. So, yeah, it was. Alright. Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Subscribe, and goodbye.